Hi, welcome to our submission for HackTheLib. For HackTheLib, we created a schedule creator called Scheme.
So what it does, Scheme is a schedule creator designed for students, employees, and everyone in between. Due to the pandemic, more and more people have shifted to attending school and work online from home. This means there's a higher number of Zoom and Google meetings to keep track of, always varying dates and times. Scheme offers a way to easily organize these appointments so that you are always on time.
Here's a demo of our product. This is our home page. Here users can see an overview of what our product does and our menu bar, which shows the different formats. Depending on which formats users prefer, they can select school format or week format.
So for the school format, it is a way for you to save and record your Google meetings or other Zoom meeting with desktop notification. So for the first text box, you can input the class name and for example, math, and depending on which type of meetings you are, you can select either Google Link or other link. You can enter the meet code or the link, for example, Zoom, and also you can select the time. And when the class starts, when it's the meeting, you will receive desktop notification.
Next, we have week format. If you are a user who likes to see your week all in one view, we've created a week format so that you can sit back on the earlier week and kind of plan out your entire week. Like, for example, a user might put that, oh, this is the time they wake up, this is the class that they're attending, and then this is the break or a club meeting that they have. Once that the user has filled out all of their spaces, they would just right-click and print. Doing this method allows users to kind of view their week-to-week schedules. Lastly, we have the About page. This is just kind of a way to introduce users to what Scheme is and show our creators.
And for the impact, Scheme will provide students and workers with an easier and more efficient way of planning their time during this unprecedented pandemic. It will teach our generation stronger skills in time management and organization, as well as inspire younger students to take accountability over their schedule.
Currently, we have millions of Americans attending work or school virtually. Scheme is a way that they could very well transform the way that they view scheduling. Here are some practical uses for Scheme. You can create a school schedule for elementary to high school age students. You can provide the links for meetings that you have. You can enter shifts for work, appointments, club meetings, breaks, and more. Here are some of the UI/UX designs that we came up with. As you can see, here is our menu screen. We have created it so users can clearly tell which screen they're on. This is lightened, so we are currently on the home screen. And depending on which screen they want to go to, like if I want to go to school format, it'll be highlighted in gray. Next, we have, for school format, we have user inputs. So this is where you're entering your class, this is where you're entering your link, this is where you're choosing what kind of link you're entering, and this is where you're selecting your time. And for week format, we have literal text boxes where you can put your schedule into.
And for the technology we use, there are HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. Scheme is an alpha version. Expect updates.